Thank you for purchasing a patent-pending X9 handle upgrade kit from Leading Edge Industries. This video will include step-by-step instructions for installation on an X9 combine. Begin by removing the 2 bolts and factory push handle. Using the existing hardware, attach the patent-pending extended X9 handle upgrade. Disconnect the release cable from the OEM latch. Be sure to keep all connecting hardware for future use. Using the existing hole as a reference, mark out where the second hole for the upgraded latch will be drilled using a marker. Drill out the newly marked hole for the upgraded latch. Now, connect the release cable to the patent-pending upgraded latch using the leftmost hole. Use the provided nut and bolt in the right hole to secure the upgraded latch. Be sure to fully tighten all of the hardware. Remove the top nut as shown to attach the retention spring. Use the nut to fully secure the spring. Use the bottom nut and bolt for the over-travel prevention cable. Be sure to test full functionality of the latch and check for clearances.